Claude had an update today where the chat, the Cowork, and the code are now moved. Instead of being on top, they are on the side. Let me show you. So it used to be at the very top here, but now you have to go over to the sidebar here, and you can see chat here and code here. And if you notice, Claude Cowork is missing from my app, and if it's missing from yours, let me show you how to get that back. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your browser and type in this right here. I'll have a link for that in the description so you can just copy and paste it. What that's going to do is do a readiness check to see what is passing and what's failing on your system. And for some reason on my computer, the virtual machine platform is missing. I don't know if that was from the update or something on Windows that changed, but let's go ahead and get that back. And in order to do that, just go right here where it says enable the virtual machine platform Windows feature from an elevated PowerShell. Since I'm on Windows, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Windows PowerShell. Make sure when you pull up PowerShell, you right click and open as administrator. And then this line right here, we're going to copy this all the way up to the comma. Copy that. Come over to your PowerShell, paste. And there we go. Should be good to go. It should be as simple as that. As long as you don't get any errors, go ahead and restart your computer. I just reboot mine, so let's go ahead and restart the Claude app. And after a quick restart, there it is. We got chat, we got Cowork, and we got Claude code right there. If you have any questions or get stuck, feel free to comment down below. But honestly, if you use Claude's chat box, it will walk you through any more steps or hoops that you have to jump through. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.